Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to use the base app on base.apps.com in order to participate in the eternity voting. Therefore, you need to open the app and choose an account that you would like to use for the voting. I'm choosing this one that currently holds 3 eternity token. Then you go on the very left to apps, and on the top you will find eternity voting. Clicking on Eternity Voting will open the voting application, which asks you to grant access to account number 3, which I do by clicking Allow. Here you will see an overview, which are 3 AE tokens, and a short text to the block reward initiative. Currently I haven't voted, so I'm setting the slider to an amount that I would like to vote for. In this case, 17% for the development reward. When I click Confirm Vote, I get asked to complete my transfer. There are 0 AE tokens sent, and the voting option 17% is put into the payload. When I confirm this, it will get mined on the Eternity mainnet, and as soon as the transactions is mined, the voting is finished. Here you can now see I have voted for 17% of the developer reward. If you would like to change your vote later on, so I voted with 3 tokens for 17%. If you would like to change, you can change it at any time until the voting is running. Confirm the change, confirm the transaction, wait for a couple of seconds, and as soon as it's mined, you will see that you have changed your vote. You can also change your account and vote with a different one, which I'm just quickly doing. Again, I have to allow the application. Now I'm having an account with 107 AE tokens. I already voted with this one. I can change my vote to 17%, for example. Confirm, confirm, and done. Happy voting.